Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the Betway Premiership. AmaZulu 0, Orlando Pirates 2. I'm joined by the best analyst.
Olola siwa konke bafethu lo Ayanda Mgidlana, the best analyst on the show bafethu. Namhlanje bafethu mesibheke I Orlando Pirates idlala neAmaZulu. A very interesting game. AmaZulu mina 30 points, mayizoqala game ne Orlando Pirates mina 32 points.
Sure.
Which mean AmaZulu may win the game then they could have jumped abo number 1 on like 33 points.
Yeah.
I think ukuthi coach Atazwane ubonisa maturity. He's very matured. It shows ukuthi ijeni yakhe yokucoacha ukhulile, you know, from TDC coach to AmaZulu coach. It yakhe mean structure. It yakhe you understand ama-pattern meladlala ngawo ukuthi he was playing a mid block to low block, but also he was trying to catch Orlando Pirates ngama transition. Yeah. You know, I feel but mistake akayenze kakhulu.
Sure.
Ukhipha umabheka phansi pule Esther. I think ukuthi pule Esther was the thorn on Orlando Pirates skin. I feel ukuthi Orlando Pirates started being more aggressive makuphuma pule Esther because now there was no one that was posing that threat.
Yeah,
we midfield, you know. So uphuma kwa Esther kulimaze kakhulu AmaZulu. And Allen Keegan Allen, I was very phenomenal. He was one of the players that was standing out for me for AmaZulu.
Sure.
And then we're gonna flip the script season up we side Orlando Pirates. I feel with Orlando Pirates from the first minute onwards, they were very aggressive. They opposed the way badlalanga. They were rubbing it on the faces of the AmaZulu. You know, they were fungit AmaZulu idlale vele ukuthi bahlezi bayipress afini yabo, you know. But at some instances doing the same thing, he ends up a mistake amaningi Orlando Pirates move.
Sure.
There were instances whereby AmaZulu could converted some of the loose balls bebazenze move, because you would see with ama defender with Orlando Pirates or ama midfielder they will lose certain balls, but they couldn't make the best out of it, AmaZulu. And vice versa in Orlando Pirates. I feel with Orlando Pirates could have won this game. The scoreline is Pezulu. You know, they wasted a lot of chances. I don't know Guti, because it's like e-league, you know, it's league football. Or how far la chance about loser bazo kangakanani ngawo, you know, because the chances they were getting, I feel with a chance whereby they could open in terms of ama goal difference between Bona and Sundowns, but they're wasting a lot of chances. And you know, with the Sundowns, when it comes to goal, they're very good in terms of getting ama goal. So I feel with in that aspect, ba waste ama chance amaningi. And then you're gonna go to Orlando Pirates, sipeke amasapa bawayenzile, even na line-up yabo. For me, I felt ukuthi coach ukuhlalisa uMakgopa ngaphandle, it's a big mistake. I was even talking about it. Lesikhathi ukukhuluma ngayo wamfaka second half uMakgopa abane impact wa assist, you know, wabane impact egolini. So mina ngiunderstand ukuthi why aqalisa uMbuthuma over uMakgopa, you know, and I understand ukuthi why alethe le player uMasindi game. I didn't see impact yakhe game. Maybe ngiyabaphazamisa khona uMasindi khona nobani, who's the new one, Nemtenjela, and then who's the other one, khona lo munye ufika wamatai Msendane, sorry, Msendane. So I didn't see impact yakhe game in terms of game, yabo ngiyabaphazamisa uMasindi noMsendane, so you'll forgive me audience because nokuphazamisa. But even boy2 nalo munye naye, I didn't see that real impact yakhe game because I felt ukuthi lamanye player they got the game. That middle fielder yakambatha, even no umbatha no nali uraydo uMakgopa uNtshebe. They got the game, so they were in the game. So angmonanga why lama player too they were supposed to be in the game. So into meanings pick up ile coach Orlando Pirates. But other than that, overall it was a good game. But you could see with Orlando Pirates had an upper hand from the word go until it's the Chai game. I think with AmaZulu they tried their level best this team, you know. And then you're gonna go to indaba yakanda ukamba kwakhe Orlando Pirates. I feel ukuthi back to lento lemengikhuluma ngayo ukuthi change of generations. I don't feel ukuthi it can affect Orlando Pirates negatively ukamba kanda, because Orlando Pirates they are used to taking out ama player, introducing our new generation. So I feel ukuthi there's nothing abayiluzayo engako ngokuthi kuhambe kanda. Otherwise Thibo thina simnandi thina igame ikusasa so ngena kakhulu kithi. Oh, another thing Thibo, before ngikhohlwa, it's about ama goal. Right now we are second round of the season. A top goal scorer right now league in 7 goals. We are below 10 goals second round of the season. That's something mele sizibuze yona ukuthi last season by this time mesinama goal over 14.
Yeah.
We had a player in 14 goals and around 18.
Yeah.
Ama assist we are looking about ama player lo mfana number 7 Aguero he was ranking around assist number goals around 14 to 13 goals. He ended up being one of the player that were very influential in season last season. So we have to ask ourselves, in league yethu, are we progressing now in terms of the front line? Ama-goal esiwakhola njengoba ngisho namanje ukuthi Pirates get a lot of chances but abawa-convert. You know, it means ukuthi lento lesine problem yabantu abakora ama-goal. You know, is that thing iyenzani eligini yethu because we also saw nakubafana we struggle ngama-goal. You know, we struggle about abantu offensive. We look at Uforsler. We struggle to find someone who can substitute asitholele ama-goal. So it's something we need to think about indaba zama-goal kwi-PSL. Ngiyabonga Sithibo.
Njani before uvaya kani uLeon ushaya number bani?
U12 mngani.
U12.
12k leyo.
Ya ntwana.
Ngilanda le 12k nakanjani ale yakora every game nakanjani.
Bangene just thatha iloni ye 12k.
12k
uLeon makakora kusasa against
uLeon
iGomora.
angivuse. Leon makakangivuse hayo Linet nakakusasa nakanjalo Leon you know. And back to lento yama-goal, you know, Sithibo singakalahli. uLeon uyafika la eSouth Africa. Already una 2 goals. Ngithola and akadlala ama-game amaningi. And i-top goal scorer yethu ina 7 goals. It means ukuthi uLeon in the next coming 6-7 game he could be top goal scorer.
Conversion rate yakhe
high.
Yeah.
And masisibheka thina singama-South African sibheka i-PSL. How do we feel about such a thing ukuthi umuntu ofika second round of the season athathe top goal scorer?
Yeah.
We need to ask ourselves those kind of questions. Ngiyabonga mfethu.
Anja yami. Top star.